Managing complex projects can feel overwhelming, especially when you're juggling multiple tasks, timelines, and teams. But CoConstruct is designed to help you stay organized and simplify the chaos. In this video, I'll break down exactly how CoConstruct helps you streamline your processes and stay on top of your projects. So stick around until the end, because I'll be sharing an exclusive offer for a free trial that you won't want to miss. Let's dive right in. First, CoConstruct's project management features are specifically designed to reduce confusion. It consolidates all project details in one place: tasks, schedules, budgets, so you never have to worry about lost emails or scattered notes. Whether you're managing a construction project or a major renovation, CoConstruct helps you track every step and keep things running smoothly. Next thing, CoConstruct allows you to create custom workflows that align with your specific needs. You're not stuck with a rigid template that doesn't fit your business. The platform adapts to your process, letting you customize how tasks are handled, which helps save time and ensures nothing slips through the cracks. The third thing you'll love is CoConstruct's budgeting and cost tracking tools. Construction projects often go over budget, but CoConstruct lets you monitor your spending in real time. You can set up budget alerts, compare actual versus estimated costs, and ensure your project stays on track financially. This makes it easier to manage client expectations and avoid surprises down the road. The fourth thing is communication. CoConstruct centralizes client and team communications, so every message is stored in one place. No more hunting for email threads or trying to remember who said what in a meeting. Everything is logged, which improves transparency and helps you stay on top of your team's progress. Next, CoConstruct is all about collaboration. You can invite team members, clients, or subcontractors into your projects and assign tasks with clear deadlines. Everyone stays in the loop with updates in real time, which reduces the risk of miscommunication and makes team coordination much easier. Another feature that stands out is its mobile app. CoConstruct's mobile app lets you manage your projects from anywhere, whether you're on the job site or at a meeting. You can update schedules, upload documents, and even track costs on the go, ensuring that you're always connected and can make decisions quickly. Now, one more thing I have to mention: CoConstruct integrates with several other tools you might already be using, like QuickBooks, which streamlines your workflow even further. You don't need to manually transfer data between platforms, saving you a ton of time and effort. Before we wrap up, remember that you can use CoConstruct for free through the exclusive trial link below. You won't find this offer anywhere else, so if you're looking to stay organized and manage your complex projects with ease, now's the perfect time to try CoConstruct. By using this free trial, you'll get access to all of CoConstruct's premium features with no strings attached, and you can see for yourself how it can transform the way you manage your projects. That's all for today. Don't forget to check the description for your exclusive extended free trial. Stay organized, stay productive, and take control of your complex projects with CoConstruct.